Welcome to the 25th day of All Free Laser Design Marathon. Today, I'm creating a pair of Christmas stud earrings as a free product. You can download them from the description below. You will also receive 75% off on Etsy when you use the promo code YouTube SALE75 for a limited time. The sale will last for 1 month. Enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this laser design for free and many more through the link in the description. Additionally, you can find more Christmas stud earrings on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube SALE75. This promotion will last 1 month.